The Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence (SETI) project is an initiative aimed at detecting radio signals that may have originated from extraterrestrial civilizations. SETI researchers use radio telescopes to scan the skies for signals that are not of natural origin, but rather appear to be deliberately designed. The project has been ongoing for over half a century and began with Project Ozma, which used a radio telescope to search for signals from 2 nearby stars. Since then, SETI researchers have utilized a variety of methods to scan the skies for alien signals, including the Allen Telescope Array in California and the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico. However, one of the main challenges SETI researchers face is the vastness of the universe. There are billions of galaxies in the observable universe, and even if there are other intelligent civilizations out there, they may be spread out across enormous distances, making it challenging for their signals to reach Earth. To overcome this challenge, SETI researchers use different search strategies. For example, they target stars that are similar to our Sun, as they may be more likely to host planets capable of supporting life. They also search for signals specifically designed for interstellar communication, such as signals modulated with information. In recent years, the SETI project has utilized machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data in search of alien signals. These algorithms can sift through enormous amounts of data much faster than human researchers, allowing SETI to search for signals in greater detail than ever before. The discovery of exoplanets, or planets located outside of our solar system, has also been a significant development in the SETI project. Telescopes such as NASA's Kepler Space Telescope have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which are located in the habitable zone of their parent stars, where conditions may be suitable for life to exist. Despite the challenges, SETI researchers remain optimistic that they will one day detect signals from other civilizations. The possibility of discovering alien life and the implications it would have for our understanding of the universe make the SETI project an essential and exciting endeavor.